Hello everyone. This is Taher from Apps Analysis back with another video, and today I will show you guys the best video editing apps that you can get on your Android device in 2021. So without any further delay, let's get this video started. On number 1 we have Filmora Go. Filmora Go is a remarkable Android video editing app that is liked by many users. All the primary functions like trimming, cutting, adding themes, music, etc. can be easily performed. You can also make 1:1 square videos for Instagram, 16:9 videos for YouTube, create reverse videos, add transitions, slow motion, text, etc. to beautify your video. Filmora Go has some in-app purchases, but most of its fantastic features are available for free. You can either save the videos directly in your gallery or share them straight to social media. Videos edited in the free version have a watermark at the end of the video. On number 2 we have Adobe Premiere Rush. Adobe Premiere Rush is another best free video editing app for Android without watermark that enables you to edit any video right from your Android device quickly. It is fast and fun to use. Adobe calls the free video editing app designed specifically for online video creators. What this means is that the app knows the specific video adjustments you will require for social media platforms. Naturally, the video can be shared on multiple social media sites through the app. Apart from the standard video editing functions, you can apply video effects, change color, create pan and zoom effects, add custom-made animated titles and more. The app has a built-in camera functionality to capture high-quality videos. The Android app also features audio tools for sound balancing and auto-ducking. The best part, however, is that you can have multiple video tracks to smoothen your workflow. It is free to download and does not display any ads. On number 3 we have Video Show. Video Show has received numerous awards and is undoubtedly one of the best video editing apps for Android available on the Google Play Store for free. With a user-friendly interface, Video Show is reliable and easy to use. Apart from the essential functions, you can also beautify your video by adding text, effects, music and sound effects or perform live dubbing. There are over 50 different themes available, and you can also reduce the size of your video by compressing it. The videos do not lose any quality and have no video duration limits. On number 4 we have Power Director. Power Director is a fully featured Android video editor that has an easy-to-use timeline interface, but it might take you some time to get used to the controls. However, once you become an expert with this app, you can create professional and effective rich videos within seconds. There are over 30 different effects and transition effects to choose from and add to your video. Using this best free video editing app, you can create awesome green screen videos. Power Director also comes with tutorial videos for all of its functions. Most of its features are available in the free version, but upgrading to the full version allows you to remove watermarks, ads, and even to extract videos in 1080 and 4K resolutions. On number 5 we have KineMaster. Combined with a well-designed interface along with powerful features, KineMaster is one of the best video editing apps available on Android. It enables the drag-and-drop technique to import different media files easily. KineMaster offers remarkable levels of control over the editing process to create professional videos quickly. You can add different types of transitions in between video fragments, or insert blocks of texts or subtitles. However, the removal of the watermark and full access to premium assets can only be accessed if you purchase the professional edition of the app. Besides this, most of the functions come in the free version. On number 6 we have Quik. Quik is another smart way to edit videos on Android. It is fast and free. You can select any photo or video clip to make your stories with Quik. The best thing about Quik is that it comes with automatic video creation capabilities. You can crop videos, add effects, texts, and quickly sync everything to the beat of any music. Once you have completed the creation of the video, you can save it to your camera roll either in 1080p or 720p, or even directly share it on the social networking sites. Quik is reliable and does not display any annoying ads. On number 7 we have Viva Video. Viva Video has a lot of impressive video editing features. The app is thoughtfully designed to help you create professional-looking videos directly from your Android. You can choose from hundreds of user-friendly effects that range from stickers and filters to animated clips and subtitles. The essential functions of cutting and pasting videos, trimming, merging clips, etc. can be easily operated. You can also directly share your work on different social networking sites. On number 8 we have Filmora Go. Filmora Go has a simple UI with essential features right at your fingertips. Once you start editing a video, you can either choose a template with a pre-adjusted song or get into the real editing. The video editor for Android offers a number of exciting editing options, such as adding several songs in a single video, adding subtitles, stickers, GIFs, etc. Users can doodle in their videos as well. Filmora Go Video Maker also offers a separate music section where users can add music from the app's vast library. Once the video is finalized, users can export the project to different social media handles right from the Video Maker. While the app features a number of editing tools, many find the app way too cramped for a smartphone, particularly for large projects where people need edits on particular timestamps. Despite the hardware acceleration, the Android Video Editor app is known to freeze on multiple occasions. If you like my selection of video editing apps, please do me a favor and drop a thumbs up. Seriously, it helps the channel a lot. Also consider subscribing with the notification turned on. I release videos every week with the list of quality apps. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one.